Hello, fellow Pennsylvanians. Grifford Construction is here for all of your restoration needs, serving all of Pennsylvania, but based and focused out of and on Bloomsburg. Our fellow Bloomsburgian, give us a call 24/7, 365 for any restoration problems you have, water damage, mold remediation, storm damage issues, etc., flood damage, flooded basement, etc. 570-416-2629. Thank you. Of course, we have all of the heavy equipment necessary, from backhoes, excavators, dump trucks, whatnot, to excavate whenever necessary. If there's a busted water pipe buried underground on your property causing, a major leak, causing water damage on your property, we can handle that no problem. So give us a call anytime, day or night. Thank you.